Welcome to Clrxplore. Here's how you can leave a review for a product you've purchased. Tick the review option. When placing your order, make sure to tick the box that asks, "Would you like to be invited to review your order?" This step ensures you'll receive an invitation to share your feedback. After your purchase, you will receive an email inviting you to review the product you've bought. Look out for your order number in the email, which will help you identify the product you're reviewing. In the email, click on the review button. You will be redirected to a page where you can share your thoughts. Complete your review. On the review page, choose your rating. Select a rating that reflects your experience with the product. Add a comment. Share your thoughts about the product. Your feedback helps others make informed decisions. Choose a display name. You can choose the name that will appear with your review. After filling in all the necessary fields, click Submit. You'll receive a thank you note confirming your review submission. Your review will be moderated before it's published. Once it's approved, it will be displayed on the product page for others to see. To view your submitted review, simply click on Reviews. Your review will indicate that you're a verified buyer, and it will show your display name and the rating you've given. Thank you for sharing your experience with us. Your feedback is valuable to both us and future customers.